Hi, friends. My name is Peter. Welcome to our new adventure today. Today, my family is going on a trip to Chicago, USA. Yes, we are.
That's wonderful news!
All right, Anna. Are you ready for our adventure? I'm so excited, Mom. Look at the bear. Yes, everything is packed. Let's go.
Okay, kids, let's go. We're all packed up.
Let's go.
We're ready for our trip.
Chicago is a big, beautiful city.
We are so happy to be here.
Wow, Dad, look at this place. It's so big.
It's quite grand, isn't it? What do you think, Anna?
It's like a castle.
I think.
I think this is it.
Yes, that looks right. I'll get you checked in. I am sorry, sir.
Oh, man.
I confirmed this just last week.
Sir, there seems to have been an issue. The room is not available. But I have the confirmation right here.
Oh my, I don't see them.
Look over there, Mom. They're here.
They are.
Finally.
Mommy!
Come on, let's go greet them.
Good evening. We have a reservation under Jones.
Yes, Mr. Jones. Just a moment.
Thank you.
Here is your key. Dad came back and said,
There is a problem with our room.
You gave our room to someone else?
This is unacceptable.
we had a reservation. What are we gonna do?
It'll be okay.
Take Bob, Peter. I want to go to bed now.
I know, sweetie. It won't be much longer.
Where is everyone? Peter? Peter, are you there? Mom?
I understand, but the room we were assigned is not the one we booked.
Yes.
Yes, a king suite with the beach view, not the city.
Yeah.
Thank you, I appreciate you looking into it. I am so very sorry for the mix-up. There was a problem with the reservation.
Thank you for letting us know. We understand.
We've prepared a special room for your family.
I am very sorry, sir. We only have one small room.
I understand.
It's okay. I want to go home. I have an idea. I can help. Hello, I'm looking for a room. Welcome, how can I help you? Do you have a room with a view? Yes, follow me, I'll show you. Excuse me, we need a big room for 4 people, please. Certainly. Right this way. Welcome to the hotel. We have you all set. Wow, thank you. I found a bigger room for you. Yes!
Awesome.
Good news, everyone. I did it.
Well done, Peter. You were very brave.
Thank you, Dad.
Yeah, yay. All right, family, here's your room.
Wow, it's so nice.
Look, Peter, our room.
Wow, this is amazing. Look at that view. Woohoo! This is so much fun.
Oh my goodness, you are having such a good time.
Wow, look at that. It's incredible.
Oh, I'm so glad we're together.
Me too, I was so worried.
Everything is going to be all right now.
Yes, it will be. I love nights like this.
Me too, Dad. So cozy.
Best night ever.
Room service. Enjoy.
Wow.
Pizza.
Yeah, looks so yummy. Thank you.
Wow, this is the best pizza ever.
It sure is, buddy.
Yeah, yum.
You had an amazing day today, didn't you?
Yeah, we built the biggest sandcastle ever.
That's wonderful. Peter, you stayed calm and asked for help. That was perfect.
Mm-hmm. Sleep tight, sweetie. Yeah.
Good night, Anna. Sleep tight.
Good night, sweetie. It was a perfect day. Good night.
Yeah, it was the best. Good night, Mom and Dad.
Wow, this is the best hotel room ever.
This is a great breakfast, everyone.
Yes, it really is. I love croissants. Look at Chicago, it's so bright.
Okay, let's go, Peter.
Let's go exploring. Look, there's the big building.
Wow.
Oh, I see it. This is so much fun.
Now let's learn 6 important English words from today's story. Word 1. H-O-tel. A hotel is a building where people sleep when they travel.
Word 2. Receptionist. A receptionist works at a hotel desk and helps guests.
Word 3. B-O-ooking. A booking means you reserved your room before you arrived. Word 4. Mistake. A mistake is when something goes wrong by accident. Word 5. Polite. When you are polite, you speak kindly and say please and thank you. Word 6. Available.
Now let's remember today's story. Our family traveled to Chicago, USA. At the hotel, there was a big mix-up. Our room was not available. Oh no! How did that happen? I found a new room. And I was so brave.
Remember, stay calm, be polite, ask for help. English will always help you.
Thank you so much for watching today's story with our family.
We love you, friends. You are our favorite viewers in the whole world.
If you liked this story, please give us a big thumbs up right now.
Don't forget to subscribe to Glow Tots Nursery Rhymes for more fun stories. See you next time on Glow Tots Nursery Rhymes. Goodbye, friends. Bye-bye.